This clip is a demonstration of how effective the Rvk Plus system is for presenters to use. As I am speaking with you, I can easily switch to the PowerPoint view, enabling you to continue to talk and present, keeping in mind that the PowerPoint is always right in front of you. And when the PowerPoint deck is selected, no one will see you looking at the slide. You can then easily move through your deck, and when you are ready, just transition back to the live view. There are a few different ways you can do the transition, such as the direct cut, the wipe, and probably the one you would use the most is the dissolve. The PowerPoint will display in your video exactly as it appears on your laptop or computer. Both the video and audio are recorded on the monitor recorder, and except for adding titles or other post-production, that's it. Your video is ready to post.